Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add background color text box in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that add background color in text box. Now, I first this character text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for the text box option. Now click for the simple text box. This text box is the moved. This text box is add background color. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the shape fill option. Then choose color. That's it. Then again change the color. Now click for the shape fill option. Then choose color. That's it. Then I show add background color text box in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.